This is a brand new 2013 Audi A5. This four-door sedan has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a heated driver's seat, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.